So you want to get the best camera for your YouTube videos, but are lost and don't know which one to choose. We all know cameras can be pretty expensive and it's daunting to know if the features in these cameras will be useful to or not. And the jargon that these companies use is often overwhelming. What you need is the best camera that takes care of your needs for all the different kind of content that you want to produce. So today I'm going to list down 7 cameras that are best for those starting out in YouTubing, vlogging, or any type of content creation. What's up, friends? This is me, Suket. I'm an independent designer, filmmaker, and editor. Welcome back to my channel for a new video. So, the first camera that I want to start with is the one that is always in your pocket, your mobile phone. Mobile phones are really great these days for making videos. I have made an extensive video in which I have shown how you can make cinematic videos with your mobile phone. You can watch that video from the link in the I button above or the one in the description. I use my iPhone 11 Pro to make videos and I love the simplicity with which it works. You could also attach it to a small tripod and start vlogging with it, or mount it on a gimbal and start shooting B-roll. So if you're just starting out with YouTubing and don't want to spend money on a camera, give a shot of making videos with your mobile phone and you'll be surprised at how good they come out. The next one is if you have any DSLR with you which supports video recording. I know there would be many levels of limitations for making videos on an entry level DSLR, but it can still shoot videos. What more do you want? And you can also do the settings manually, like change the shutter speed, aperture, ISO, and frame rate. Though it can also get bulky for carrying it on a mini tripod while vlogging. But if you do that, pair it with a wide angle lens and you could not only make vlogs but also strengthen your arm muscles. Okay, on a serious note, if you have a DSLR which supports video recording, get started with it. The next one is from Sony and it took the vlogging and YouTube community by a storm in 2020. It is the Sony ZV-1 and surprisingly it is a point and shoot camera. It has some amazing specs like a 20 megapixel sensor, a 24 to 70 zoom lens with an aperture range of f1.8 to f2.8. This camera is made for YouTubers, vloggers and content creators in mind. It has a flip screen which comes really handy while vlogging. The autofocus is really fast and there is a special mode, product showcase, which brings the product in focus instantly as soon as you bring it in front of the camera. It also has one button defocus mode, which defocuses the background as soon as you press it, irrespective of the aperture. It has an inbuilt mic which comes with a dead cat to reduce the wind noise. It also has a 3.5 jack for an external mic. You can also purchase the vlogging bundle which comes with a mini tripod that also doubles up as a remote control for operating the camera. The camera can shoot full HD videos up to 120 fps and 4K up to 30 fps. It also has a super slow-mo mode which slows down the footage to 240, 480 and a whooping 960 fps. Yes, 960 fps. But you have to compromise on the image quality. So if you want to spend your money on a camera for vlogging and YouTubing, then you should look out for the Sony ZV-1. This camera costs around 70,990 rupees with the vlogging kit on Amazon at the time of making this video. Next one is again a point and shoot camera, but from Canon. It is a very compact camera for all the features that it carries. This is the Canon G7X Mark III. It has a built-in 24 to 100 lens with aperture of f1.8 to f2.8, means more shallow depth of field and less noise in low light scenes. And if you love macro shots, then this camera can do that too. It can shoot full HD videos up to 120 fps and 4K up to 30 fps. This camera costs about 52,299 rupees on Amazon at the time of making this video. On this note, if you like this kind of content and you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. Your one subscription goes a long way in motivating me to make more such informative and interesting videos. The next camera is again from Canon. Basically, these are two cameras which are very similar to each other. Both have interchangeable lenses and mirrorless systems. These are the Canon M50 Mark I and Canon M50 Mark II. Both of these cameras are Canon's attempt to make affordable mirrorless cameras for YouTubers and bloggers alike. We will be talking about the Canon M50 Mark II. This is a 24 megapixel APS-C sensor camera. Some good things about the M50 are it provides vivid colors straight out of the camera. It has a really good autofocus system with eye and face detection. which you cannot go wrong with. It can shoot full HD videos up to 60 fps and 720p videos up to 120 fps. The Mark 1 and Mark 2 are very similar to each other, with a very little price difference. The Mark 2 has faster autofocus, which is actually not noticeable since the Mark 1 also has an excellent autofocus. The Mark 2 does have a clean HDMI output so that you can use it as a webcam or for live streaming. Though I would have liked it very much if the battery life was better on the M50. This camera costs about 58,990 rupees with a 15 to 45mm f 3.5 to 6.3 kit lens on Amazon at the time of making this video. The next one is a pretty unique camera setup. It comes with a gimbal built in. I'm talking about the Osmo Pocket 2. I've had my time with the Osmo Pocket 1 and I was pretty impressed by that too. It could do 4K with log color profile, shoot slow-mos and still fit in your pocket and of course your budget. The Osmo Pocket 2 has a 64 megapixel CMOS sensor with a fixed aperture of f1.8. It can shoot 4K videos up to 60 fps and 240 and 480 fps slow-mo videos in full HD. With the autofocus, you can also track faces and objects. You can also buy an optional creator combo with the Osmo Pocket 2, which has a lot of accessories. A perfect companion, especially for travel vloggers. This device costs around 40,000 with the extension kit, though I'm not sure about the exact price with the extension kit as it was not available on Amazon at the time of making this video. The last one is an action camera that is considered as one of the best cameras in its category, the GoPro Hero 9. This sensor can shoot up to 30 fps videos at 5K, 60 fps at 4K, 120 fps at 2.7K and 240 fps at full HD. You can remove the super wide angle 16mm lens and go to 34mm length. You can accessorize it with a lot of accessories sold separately that will enable you to mount the GoPro at any place that you can think about. GoPros are very well known in the action and sports category video creators, but with the GoPro Hero 9 you could also make vlogs and home videos. You also get a screen at the front and a built-in mic for making talking head vlogs. GoPro Hero 9 can create some truly amazing steady shots with its Hypersmooth 3.0 technology. This camera costs about 36,689 rupees on Amazon at the time of making this video. So these were some of the best cameras that you can buy if you're starting out as a YouTuber, vlogger or content creator. The conclusion, if you ask me, would be to shoot with your phone if you are starting out. And if you want to upgrade from your phone camera to a more versatile interchangeable lens camera system, then you can look for the Canon M50 Mark II. Though it is not perfect, you cannot get anything better than the M50 Mark II for the price. If your sole purpose is to make YouTube videos and to vlog, then the Sony ZV-1 is for you. It is one of the best cameras and you cannot go wrong with it. If you are into action and sports videos, then the GoPro Hero 9 is for you. And if you already have a primary video camera and are looking for a secondary camera to shoot B-roll where your primary camera cannot reach, then the Osmo Pocket 2 or GoPro Hero 9 are the options for you. If you found the video informative, like it, share it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified about my new videos. See you all in the next video. This is me Suket signing off.